Most traders clutter their chart with tons of indicators. Then they can barely see price itself and wonder, why is price so unpredictable? Today we're going to push that noise to the side and get straight into what works. There is one candle that will cut through all of that noise. With clean, efficient results in every market condition, you will locate the buying pressure trend reversions and stop losses. The abnormal Y bar is the biggest statement candle in technical analysis. This strong full-bodied candle represents a massive shift in the market. Right here we see a great example of a choppy market. Then the abnormal Y bar occurs shortly after stock price moves 1,000%. Fundamentals is a lost art within the very complex technical analysis space. Many beginners, including myself, waste the first few years trading being a mad scientist, pulling up this indicator, using that technical signal, etc., just to realize years later they skipped over the number one step: fundamentals.
You probably heard the phrase, price action is king. But here's the problem. People say it, yet they ignore the most important price action signal that shows the imbalance between buyers and sellers. This one candle reveals exactly who is in that control.
Long and short traders typically both struggle in a choppy market environment. Lack of direct liquidity is a very hard game. Experienced traders know volatility is their best friend if utilized correctly. And the strongest candle to break this trend is, you guessed it, the abnormal Y bar.
This candle tells you when buyers completely take control. It shows increased commitment, increased urgency, and the strength of the trend in real time. When you learn to recognize it, you'll stop guessing and start reacting to what the market is showing you. We see the buyers start at the open price and dominate the session, pushing price all the way up to that closing price with zero pauses, zero wicks, and a pronounced full body bar. Buyers are antsy to take advantage at these prices at higher and higher price levels with zero signs of stopping.
Location and placement of the Y bar is key. That's what makes the Y bar abnormal, right? Location changes a strong technical setup, an undeniable trend shifter.
Now what we see here, guys, on stock Tesla is a very volatile moving stock. We see this volatility all the way to the downside, and we see it pick up to the upside. We see that buyers start to hold their ground as they go ahead and ascend up on an ascending profile. Now we cannot be chopping in this ascending profile forever, guys, and there has to be a move. So what do we see? You guessed it, guys, that abnormal wide bar going ahead and changing the momentum from this condensed chop like structure, leading to higher highs, breaking out and getting above that 367.
SOFI had a very strong pullback from 2022, arising right back in 2025 before getting in a very tight cup and handle. Start to see the first weekly candle break over the handle, but there is no official strong confirmation. Looking at the daily candlesticks, you clearly see stock price loading up in a very tight spring loading like phase before seeing the abnormal wide bar kick into play. That is your green light. It's very rare to actually pull back from a short-term perspective as well. Notice how we do see a 2-day pullback immediately get bought up with a very strong wick and then ensue a parabolic run to occur. Over 200% upside, and it all stemmed from the abnormal wide bar. Momentum isn't random, it leaves footprints. This candle is one of the clearest footprints you can find. It tells you when the market isn't just moving, but who is moving with power, who is winning, and that is when you want to be involved. Just like a fight, a video game, a sports game, everything can come down to one thing, and that is momentum. Momentum is massive. In technical analysis, the biggest momentum shifter is the abnormal wide bar, and one movement in this game can decide the entire direction of a top 200% mover, a sharp decliner, etc.
This candle also reveals panic. The sheer magnitude of the abnormal wide bar sends panic throughout the market. When buyers and sellers are battling at a key level, the number one victory is for the buyers to get through that level with a massive euphoric surge. Now this causes massive panic for short sellers to go ahead and liquidate, while the buyers go ahead and FOMO into the trades. The abnormal wide bar shows you where traders are trapped or where fear kicks in and where price is likely to snap back or continue aggressively.
We're looking at a very strong stock that is surging before pulling back to a very tight channel. We clearly see the buyers stepping up and pressing at the top of that breakout level with 1 and 2 doji candles forming indecision within the market. What is going to happen next? Boom! A massive abnormal wide bar. This is a candle that is going to show stop losses, short squeeze opportunity, a trend shifter, and to show what has happened next was a very nice upside. We did catch both of these live and alerted them on the channel.
Now, when the abnormal Y bar forms at the right location, right support, right resistance, or the right pullback, it becomes a map of order flow. It shows you exactly where traders are trapped, where liquidity sits, and whether the next move is continuation or a reversal. This is why location gives the candle its meaning. Right, we see on the example to the left, we have a very constant chopping movement. Or in this case scenario where price is kind of not doing all that much. Price is chilling out, it's building that energy, and then boom, a surge, a very powerful green wide bar to the upside, leading to a continuation. Now, why does the second one above that hold less power? Well, one, we're already stemmed off a very volatile move to the upside, and this is stepping in after a big move already to the upside. So it's just continuation, and it's shown after a breakout where 3 previous parabolic days spiked around an 80% move. And this has a lot more risk than reward. But on the flip side, the initial green wide bar shifts the market momentum, lowering the risk and higher the reward. I'll bring you guys to another live example of the abnormal wide bar. Here, guys, we have a obvious base. We see that price had a very volatile move to the upside and volatile shutdown to the downside. And then we find a little bit of a base, kind of double bottoming formations. And that leads us to a big move up, gap up, continuation, and a smaller pullback, now holding a base. So we see price actions very constant and it's consolidating, and we can't be battling this forever, guys. We can't just chop on forever. And this is where, you guessed it, we see that abnormal wide bar shifting the momentum, going from this chop like structure to a very aggressive, notable move to the upside.
That is why this one candle is so important. It reveals momentum, control, fear, and all in one single moment. This candle isn't magic, but it is the closest candlestick we have to it. If you guys want more of this collaboration content from me, let us know in the comments below. So happy to bring this no BS, no guru content straight for you traders who are looking to evolve. Drop a sub and a like if you found any value in the video today. Have a good one, guys. Take care, trade smart, and peace.